Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to send email with Mailgun. It's very easy to do. For this, you have to do first create an account at mailgun.com and log into the dashboard. Then go to sending and domains and add your domains. Then add SPF, DKIM, DMARC records in your domain register and wait for Mailgun to verify it. Then set up SMTP or API. Go to SMTP credential and use the provided details in your email client. Or you can go to API keys and create an API key for use in your app or automation scripts. Then send emails. Go to sending or send a message. Then enter details and click send. Or you can go to campaign, create campaign and upload your list and send your email. You can monitor your emails, check sending, then select logs for email status. Use analytics for open rates and click-through rates. Ensure correct DNS settings, then warm up your email domain for better deliverability, or use dedicated IPs for high volumes. And that's it. That's how you can send emails with Mailgun.